Hey guys, airsoftnonamer here, and I got another unboxing for you guys today. Today is of the Tokyo Marui Hi-Capa, made in Japan. This is the stainless model, and when you open it, you get your warnings and manual, and you get a rail that you can attach to the bottom of the frame. You get 31 round magazine. Get this cleaning and jamming rod with the metal rod to poke the hollows out, and there's the gun. And under here there are these tabs put for the magazine. These are tabs that you can try firing, and comes with Tokyo Marui BBs. And here you get these screws